We turn now to the U.S. Supreme Court, where justices heard arguments today in 2 cases on affirmative action in college admissions. The rulings could dramatically alter how universities consider race in evaluating applications. As CBS's chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford reports, the court's conservative majority appears skeptical.
The extraordinary arguments, nearly 5 hours long, were contentious as the justices grappled with whether considering race in college admissions was a modern-day form of discrimination.
We're talking about race as a determining factor in admission to Harvard.
Chief Justice John Roberts clashed with a lawyer defending affirmative action at Harvard University against a challenge by Asian students who say they are held to higher standards in admissions than whites or other minorities.
Race for some highly qualified applicants can be the determinant factor, just as being an oboe player in a year in which the Harvard-Radcliffe Orchestra needs an oboe player will be the tip.
We did not fight a civil war about oboe players. We did fight a civil war to eliminate racial discrimination.
But liberal justices suggested colleges like Harvard and the University of North Carolina have to consider race as one of many factors to get a full picture of a student's life experiences. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson.
No one's automatically getting in because race is being used. They're looking at the full person with all of these characteristics.
The court has scaled back affirmative action over the years. It said in 2003 it should not continue indefinitely. 9 states now ban it in college admissions. But civil rights lawyer Damon Hewitt, representing the University of North Carolina, says affirmative action still is crucial.
When you think about a world without affirmative action, think about what our workplaces will look like, what our schools would look like.
Now, opponents of affirmative action say there are other race-neutral ways to get diversity, like looking at socioeconomic factors. And that was the focus of several of those conservative justices who seem to suggest the clock on affirmative action is ticking. Norah?
Jan Crawford with those important arguments today. Thank you.